Good afternoon to all of you. Can you hear me? Hello. Is my voice is audible? Please confirm. Is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Today we'll discuss about some month-ending activities. Okay. These month-ending activities are very important for interview in support projects. Definitely, they will ask you month-ending activities. So tell me some important month-ending activities which you know. Tell me some important month-ending activities.
Clear air clearing, sir.
Okay. Next. Next, then tell me any monthly activities. So how the month ending activities will be happen in company? So initially, for example, tomorrow is a month ending activity. So what kind of things that we need to know, that we need to do in the lower level servers before doing this activity in the production system? Any idea?
Depreciation run, fixed assets, and FX,
No,
equivalent depreciation.
my question is tomorrow is a month ending activity. Okay. So tomorrow is a month ending activity. Up to today, what kind of things we need to do? What are the pre-checks while doing this month ending activity? First and foremost thing is you should know what kind of month ending activities we need to execute in the production system. In real time, so you do not have any access for the any access related to T codes, right? T code access is required. T code access is required. So, first to gather what kind of month ending activities are there. So here, I just given some month ending activities list. So recurring entry posting, accrual deferral entry posting, foreign currency devaluation, exchange rates, execution of financial statements, depreciation calculation. Okay, and asset fiscal year change of asset if it is year end. Bank reconciliations, ABS. So these are the month ending activities. These are the month ending activities. To tell this monthly activities list to the interview. So what is foreign currency revaluation? Why this foreign currency revaluation is required? Tell me. Why foreign currency revaluation is required? Anyone?
Exchange rate difference ఉంటుంది కదా సార్.
Okay. Why foreign currency revaluation is required? Whatever the transaction is posted in the local currency, so a foreign currency, that should be converted into local currency, because so you need to prepare the exact balance sheet on the 31st of month. So what is the exchange rate value? So that date, so we need to do the valuation. So let's say, for example, so you have some open items. Okay, so you already posted some open items in the system. You purchase entries, sales entries, but on 31st of this month, we need to revalue, right? So whatever the transaction you posted in company code other than company code currency, that should be revaluated this month. Okay, so what is foreign currency? The currency which is other than company code currency. So whatever the transaction you booked, okay, whatever the transaction you booked, so that transaction in other currencies, not in INR, not in local currency, that is called a foreign currency. So you have some open items, you already posted some open items, but it's not cleared. Okay, so now you want to revalidate on 31st month, the 31st of every month, or 13th of every month, 30th of every month. What we need to do, we need to update the exchange rates. First, we need to update the exchange rates on the 31st of this every month. We need to update the exchange rates. Then we need to revalidate. So let's say, for example, you have some open items. Raw material purchase foreign vendor, $1,000. So this was happen on okay. Credit sales is happened. Credit sale is happened to foreign customer, $2,000. This is happened on 0.09, 1,000 into 80 rupees on that date. So you posted transaction with 80,000. So this is 2,000 into 20. This is 90 rupees. Assume it's 90 rupees. So this amount, right? Okay. So now, so this is the exchange rates. So in this date, you need to update the foreign currency. When you purchase, right? So on this date, you need to update the exchange rates. And this date is also exchange, update the exchange rate. Then you can post the transaction. Okay, next thing is on 13th of September 2023. So foreign currency exchange rate. Foreign currency exchange rate is 85 rupees. Okay, so here you need to prepare the balance sheet on today's date, 13th September. This is month ending. So here you need to update the exchange rate 85 in your system, OB08. Okay, now you need to do the revaluation on this date. So this is the open item still not cleared. It is also still not cleared from the customer. These are all invoices. Okay, and one more thing is payment also there. Vendor payment, $500 into 80 rupees. This is also done on 06/09/2023. Assume. Okay, this is dollars. Okay, now first two are open invoice. Open invoice means vendor invoice, customer invoice, and the third one is the payment. Okay, now I need to do the revaluation on this date, 13th September. Okay, that date exchange rate is 85. So this exchange rate we need to update, right? This is the updation of foreign currency exchange rate is also month ending activity. So you need to update the foreign currency exchange rate for G. We have three types of exchange rates. Three types of exchange rates. Bank buying rate, bank buying rate, bank selling rate, average rate. So users will give you the exchange rate details for these three on this date. So it is your duty need to update. But in real time, so this exchange rates updation will be done by master data team. Okay. But if master data team is not available, so if they are assign, if they assign this duty to you, then you need to do this activity. No doubt at all. Okay, bank buying rate, bank selling rate, and average rate. Okay. So raw material purchase from foreign vendor, this amount, and this is the three types of exchange rate: bank buying rate, selling rate. This is on this date we need to do revaluation. So whatever the transaction posted in foreign currency, this should be revaluated in the local currency, INR. Okay, so here exchange rate on this date is 85. Okay, so here three transactions are there. Now tell me, so in the 13th September of 2023, should I take this value or this value? This values. Which value I need to take? This value, or this value? Which value? I need to do the foreign currency revaluation. Okay, on 13th September 2023, and my exchange rate is 85. Okay, so it's already there. Okay, already posted with this exchange rates, but I need to do revaluation on this date. So which day, which exchange rate should I consider? 85 or this 80 or 90 or which one? Tell me. We need to consider 85 only because on this date we are doing revaluating the figures on 85. But we should not consider the payments. Payment is already done. We shouldn't consider this. Revaluation is applicable to open items. Okay, vendors, customers, GRIR clearing. Okay, and vendors, customer, GL balances. So revaluation, foreign currency revaluation will be applicable. Foreign currency revaluation will be applicable. Vendor open items. Customer open items. GRIR clearings. Okay, and GL balances, open item on GL balances. So for this, so foreign currency devaluation should be applicable. Okay. So whatever the transaction you posted in company code other than different currency, so you need to post in local currency. Okay. So here the exchange rate difference 80 and this is 85. So this 5,000 amount will go. You are paying more, right? So but you purchase 80 rupees, but you are paying, you are doing revaluation with 85. That means a loss, a realized loss. Realized loss to the company. This $5, this $5 will be reversed. Will be reversed. That means on the next day. So once you do foreign currency devaluation on today's date, next day it will be reversed automatically. Okay, it's reversed automatically. So foreign currency revaluation. So here realized loss to the company because you posted the transaction with 80 rupees, but you are revaluating with 85. So $5 will be $5 is the realized loss to the company. Okay, this $5 will be realized loss. Okay, so on the next day the entry will be reversed automatically. So you tell to the interviewer these month ending activities list to the. Okay, so create recurring entries, accruals and provisioning entries. Okay, these things you tell to the interviewer. Okay, before starting month ending activity, so first we need to perform this all activities in the quality system first. Okay, so in quality system you have access, but in production system you don't have any access. Okay, these things will be performed by your end user. So any issues will arise at the time of doing execution of these issues, you will be responsible. But before doing this activity on 31st of month, okay, so you need to do testing activities in the quality system. In the quality system, you post all these monthly activities and take the screenshots. So whether successfully done, any issues are arising. So any issues will come, then we can resolve that before month end. So for that, initially you need to get a T code access. So in real time also, particularly for monthly activity, they will provide you, security will provide you the T code access. So for that, you need to raise firefighter ID. They will give you 2-3 days access. Okay. If any issues will arise at the time of execution of this month-ending activity, so you will be solely responsible. So you need to resolve the issues. But the user perform this activity in production. But so you need to get the T code access from the production system on that day only. Security will give you T code access only on that day. Okay. First perform these activities in the quality system before month-ending activity. Then understand what kind of issues are arising, then resolve it. If any issues are there, resolve it. Because in month end, you won't get that issue again. Okay, so directly these activities will be done in the production system every month. Okay, sometimes user will perform this activity, sometimes consultant will perform. It depends upon the company. Who will this roles is assigned to consultants or this persons, that we need to know. Okay, this is the month end process. Step 1, you perform this, you just take this T code access from the security. Further, you need to raise a firefighter ID through GRC tool. And further, you need to raise a service request also. Security team will provide this access. Only that day we will perform month-end activities. 31st night. They will give you 31st night, 1 hour before. So before that, so you will perform this activity in the quality system. Okay, 2 days before you need to tell the management. So I have performed these monthly activities in the quality system. It's fine. There is no issues. Or if you face any kind of issues, you need to resolve that issues because the same issue will not be reflected in month end. Smooth closure of books. If you not perform, then how the books will be closed? So here some of the monthly activities list. Tell to the interviewer this list. Okay. This is monthly activities list.
సార్
Yeah.
ఇవి కొన్ని వీడియోస్ ఎరేజ్ అయిపోతున్నాయి.
Isn't it?
కొన్ని వీడియోస్ ఎరేజ్ అయిపోతున్నాయి కదా సార్.
You need to download this, right? So in system, the videos will be available only 30 days.
సార్ యాక్చువల్గా మనకి షేర్ ఆప్షన్ అని ఉంటుంది కదా సార్, అక్కడ సేవ్ అంటే సేవ్ అయిపోతాయా?
No, no. Skype లో ఓన్లీ 30 days మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
30 days లోపల డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోకపోతే అవి అరైజ్ అయిపోతాయి.
ఓకే.
ఓకే. 30 days
డౌన్లోడ్ అంటే అంటే ఇవి ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్, అవి ఓకే సార్. బట్ వీడియో ఎలా డౌన్లోడ్ చేస్తారు సార్? లైక్ నేనైతే సేవ్ చేశాను సార్. అంటే
సేవ్ యాస్ డెస్క్టాప్.
ఓకే.
ఓకే.
అంటే మనకి మామూలుగా వీడియో ఓపెన్ చేయగానే సేవ్ అని ఒక ఆప్షన్ వస్తుంది కదా, అది చేస్తాను.
ఇలా చేయండి డౌన్లోడ్.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
Okay. So this is month ending activity. So first you need to perform this activity in the quality system and make sure that no errors will come. Okay, if error is there, then you need to rectify that issue before month ending. Okay, then perform this activity directly in the production system. Okay, if you have. If you do not have, then user will perform this activity in the production. So if they face any kind of challenges, issues, you are solely responsible to rectify that. Okay. That is month end. Then next step is the resume preparation. See, if you want to shortlist your profile, okay, if you are fresher, then you need to add S4HANA skill set. If you are not fresher, then you need to add FICO with S4HANA, both. Okay. So nowadays, if you put 5+, then there may be chances to get selected. So get shortlist your profile. 5+ minimum. Okay. So this is the test resume. Okay, before going to the interview, the first and foremost thing is you should know about the project details. Okay, so you can able to explain this project details without stopping 1 minute at least. If you not explain your project details, then interviewer feel that this guy is fake. Okay, so they will ask you the business process. So first prepare this. If you are implementing any S4HANA projects, then they will directly ask you, so when the ECC implementation has been finished up, okay, who has done, okay, and so S4HANA which version, 1909 or 2020 or 2021, that version details also you need to mention. ECC version details, ECC ERP6, EHP7, EHP5, EH6, that version details also we need to mention. Okay, so majority of case interview will ask you, so who is your client? So tell me the business process of your client. So make sure that at least you can able to say 1 minute regarding your client without stopping. And at least your resume should be 7 pages. So like this 7 pages. You just fill your resume with these roles and responsibility. If it is the first project, then at least this length. Okay, don't copy paste these points in your resume because this resume circulate to many people. Okay, that is the reason you can take some responsibilities which you know. If you don't know, just ignore. Okay, and don't change anything here because if you change your name here and just put in the same thing, then there is no use. Okay, you can copy the technical skills, area of exposure, etc. from the resume and don't use this resume. Okay, so whatever the skill set you have in GL, FI, accounts payable, all things you need to mention, DME, IDOCS also. So focus on S4HANA. If you just focus on S4HANA, these areas I told you last time, business partner configuration, okay, and GL changes, new asset accounting changes, technical clearing account, all the asset, all the changes in S4HANA need to mention. All the changes in S1 need to mention. Okay. All changes need to mention. So if you are fresher, then you focus on S4HANA. And if you are experienced people, you are adding some skill set in the resume, S4HANA, FICO, then you need to focus on both. Okay. So this is one resume. So here add all the S4HANA skill set. So don't say knowledge on. Okay, expose experience on. So knowledge is different and experience is different. Okay. So prepare this client details properly and mention when mention. So whether it is implementation project or support project rollout, just you mention, and tenure, project tenure that you need to mention, and at least this length, for first project. Okay, second thought, okay, fine. At least 7 pages is required. 7 pages. Okay, and remove the personal things like age, experience, etc. So last personal page you just remove and just put place and this thing. That's enough to crack the interview. So interview will ask you, tell me project team, how many, what is our team project size? The project size is total 80 members. Out of that FICO 4 to 5 members. MM 3 members. SD 2 members. So like the total team size is 80 for your projects. What is the tenure of the project? S4HANA 22 months. Okay, if it is ECC implementation is 18 months. Okay. And interview will ask you so where your project client located. So that details also they will ask you. So they will focus more on the client details. Okay, interview will focus is more on the client details. Where your client is located, which location, and for which bus you will catch and go for your client location. Those details also they will ask. So if it is implementation project ECC, then they will ask you why it is not moved to S4HANA and which version you are using. Who is your project manager? What is his name? So those details also they will ask you. Okay, project tenure, project duration, client details. Okay, client details, team size, FICO team size, and responsibilities which you have handled. Okay, and they will check have you really worked in this company or just adding the skill set. They are these things also they will check it out. Okay. At least 2 phone numbers in your resume. At least 2 phone numbers. So at least 2 phone numbers in your resume. 2 mobile numbers. And at least 2 email address. So 1 email address is enough, but don't give any spaces. Okay, this is the correct email address you need to mention. Because the interviewer directly copy this email address and send to you. That is the reason it should not be any commas or any gaps. Make sure that your email ID should be correct, accurate. And at least you need to maintain 2 mobile numbers. Okay. Then, so open LinkedIn profile. Open LinkedIn profile. Open LinkedIn profile. So make sure that your resume should contain all the information. Okay. So here this is my profile, but you can add your profile like this. So here just to put the SAP FICO consultant, SAP senior consultant. So here add designation as well after your name. Okay, in search engine your name will be visible. So it will be visible to recruiters easily. Okay, and just here she, he, you need to mention this. Okay, so here headline you are looking for SAP FICO S4HANA job. Okay, and current position. So industry which you are working, education qualifications, location. Okay, so all this if you have any website, so etc. These details we need to mention in the contact. Okay. Then you need to mention you are willing to open to work, which location, Bangalore, Singapore, Malaysia, etc. That you can mention. The locations, remote, which locations you are looking for job. So which title you are looking for job. Okay, save. And this is my profile. This is different, okay, but your case it is different. So here add this summary. You just copy from this summary. Okay, just copy this technical summary and paste it. And paste over. And then add your experiences. Okay, total experiences. How many experiences you have? So in that experience, mention roles and responsibility. Copy your roles and responsibilities. Copy the roles and responsibilities. This roles and responsibilities. Project roles and responsibilities. This roles and responsibilities. So each company you need to paste roles and responsibilities like this. So like this, like this. So just fill the roles and responsibilities and create like this. Okay, create like this. So after that, so you need to search with SAP FICO. That's it. Just search with SAP FICO. Then go to post. Then go to see post, jobs, people, groups, events, etc. Then go to post. Okay, then go to post and check who is posted recently. So that FICO related stuff we can view. Okay, so jobs, etc. Everything we can see over here. You can also see the documents also. Okay, documents, etc. Each and everything. So who posted, when posted. So we can also make filters. So then again, just go to home. Okay, again and search with SAP FICO jobs. Okay, go to jobs and filter. Take filter for past week. Okay. So like that you can apply these jobs daily basis. You need to spend at least 3 to 4 hours only for applying jobs from Naukri and other job portal. Then only your profile should be shortlisted. On daily basis, you need to spend 3 to 4 hours. Okay. Then next step is again type S4HANA Finance. Okay, and check with post. And if any document is there, then please download. This is configuration funds management. Download the document. Okay. This is the way of applying for jobs. So here, some recruiters will post this one also. Here, your recruiters will post some document also, and they will post some jobs also. Okay, then go to again SAP FICO. This time you will search with people, recruiters. SAP FICO recruiters. Okay, SAP FICO recruiters. Search with the people. Okay, and see he is a SAP consultant, right? So just connect him. Okay. So people who are recruiters connect. Okay, because if they post any kind of jobs, it will be notified in the home page. So like that, you need to connect at least 50 members on day-to-day basis. So here you will see the job notifications, etc. Once you connect, at least you need to connect 40 to 50 members on daily basis. Okay. Then almost within 30 days, you will have 5,000 connections. So within 5,000, at least, okay, 10 to 15 people will post their job updates. Okay. So then you will get notified. This is the way you need to check on daily basis. So by using this LinkedIn, you can download documents. You can download the documents and you can connect the recruiters directly. Okay, so here you can directly connect the recruiters. For example, so this guy has posted, okay, something he has posted. So now I want to connect, then click on the message and put your resume to this guy and apply. Okay, so this is the place we can directly connect the recruiters. For that, you need to prepare job letter first. So job letter, take an example how to prepare job letter. Okay. These are the examples. So take this example. Take this example and notepad. Okay. So here with reference to dear Krishna. Okay, this is reference to your job recruitment on the sales manager. Here you can put it SAP FICO consultant. I truly believe my qualification and experience may be perfect for this job. I completed MBA marketing and sales. I worked as a FICO, senior FICO consultant. So like that you attach your CV and first you send this job letter along with your resume. Okay, you need to modify this according to your requirement. This is the professional way to grab the jobs. Okay, so like that you need to create Monster profile, and you need to create 2 profiles in Naukri with the different email IDs, different phone numbers. Create 2 profiles in Naukri, one profile in LinkedIn. Okay, you can directly connect to World. If you create a good profile in your LinkedIn, you can directly apply for outside the jobs also. LinkedIn is the biggest platform for job holders. Okay, and you can directly connect to Canadian recruiters, US recruiters. Okay. And the next thing is create Indeed account. Indeed. So you need to create your resumes in 3 or 4 portals. Okay. The first one is LinkedIn. The second one is Naukri, Monster, Indeed. So you fill with your resumes in these 4 job portals. Then apply for jobs. And daily basis you need to spend 3 to 4 hours only for applying job. Then your profile should be shortlisted at least. So this is the way to apply the jobs. Got my point? Create 2 Naukri profiles, one what we call this LinkedIn, one Monster, one Indeed. Now create cheskondi. Okay. Now create cheskondi. Okay, so apply cheyandi jobs ki job letter create chesukoni professional apply cheyandi, definitely will get job. Shortlist avuddi 100%. Okay. So profiles jobs రావట్లేదు, కాల్స్ రావట్లేదు, అవి రావట్లేదు అని చెప్పి అంటూ ఉంటారు. బట్ ఇలా అప్లై చేస్తే నీకు వీక్లీ ఒక్క కాల్ వస్తుంది. So you will get definitely 1 call if you apply like this. Okay. Okay, we will continue tomorrow. Thank you. So I shared you 2 resumes. Open this resumes and copy the skill set in this resume, whichever is relevant to you. Copy and paste in your own resume. So this is a little S4HANA resume. Just take this an examples. Okay. Thank you.